In this presentation, you will learn about the CIPP model of evaluation. Before going into details about the CIPP model, let's go ahead and discuss the key figure that invented it. Daniel L. Stufflebeam has dedicated most of his life to improving the evaluation process. He's played an instrumental role in Ohio State's education program as well as Western University's education evaluation program. His expertise and experience is acknowledged around the world with organizations such as the United Nations, which have turned to him as a consultant. He believes the primary reason for evaluation is to aid in decision-making and thereby helping us improve what we are doing. So what is the CIPP model of evaluation? The CIPP acronym represents the four basic concepts of the model: context, input, process, and product. The approach developed in the late 1960s seeks to improve and achieve accountability in educational programming through a learning by doing approach. Stufflebeam suggests that all evaluations should begin with a clear understanding of core values associated with any program or solution. It should be decision-focused. Information is the key. The underlying purpose of the model is to provide evaluation clients with timely and valid information that allows them to identify areas for development. The CIPP model of evaluation has both a formative and summative application, which we will be discussing later on in this presentation. Each of the four areas of evaluation has a relationship with a particular evaluative focus. Before using the CIPP model, evaluators need to have a clear understanding of the core value of each component. First, content evaluation core value is goals. The goal-setting focus elicits questions that provide information for validating or improving goals. Input evaluation core is plans. Planning improvements effort provide judgment of plans and guidance for improving those plans. Process evaluation core value is action. This evaluation provides judgment of activities along with feedback for improving staff performance. Last, the product evaluation core value is outcomes. This provides judgment of outcomes and identifies performance improvement recommendations. The four aspects of the CIPP model again are context, input, process, and products. Since the underlying purpose of the model is to provide clients with timely and valid information that allows them to identify areas of improvement, the CIPP model is viewed in two perspectives: formative and summative evaluation. For the purpose of formative evaluation, the CIPP model of evaluation asks, what should be done? How should it be done? Is it actually being done? Is it succeeding? For the purpose of summative evaluation, the CIPP model of evaluation asks, were important needs addressed? Was the effort well guided? Was service designed and executed as required? And did the effort succeed? This model allows the evaluator to focus on four distinct yet related activities. One of the strong points of this model is its ability to fit any situation. So depending on the circumstance, evaluation of each area can be conducted individually, sequentially, or in parallel. Let's take a moment to look in greater detail at the purpose of each of the four areas. The purpose of the context evaluation area is to set objectives and determine needs. Stufflebeam argues that the input evaluation is the most neglected yet important type of evaluation. The purpose of input evaluation is to create or improve plans. Each bullet point addresses some of the steps decision makers would do while focusing on an input evaluation. Like the context evaluation, input evaluation also overlaps with several functions within a needs assessment. Process evaluation focuses on monitoring the performance. It ensures that the implementation process is going as planned. And product evaluation's purpose is to judge the accomplishments of the program to determine whether results are satisfactory. For long-term evaluations, this area can be divided into subparts such as impact, effectiveness, and sustainability. If we take a look at Table 8.1 found on page 110 of the Performance Evaluation text, we can see there is a clear difference between the formative and summative application of the CIPP model of program evaluation. The formative application, also identified as the proactive, outlines the purpose for improving the program, while the summative application is used to determine the overall effectiveness and/or merit of the program. This table helps to show the impact of each area of the evaluation model. There are many strengths and weaknesses for implementing this evaluation model. One of the positive aspects that was already briefly mentioned is the model's ability to be versatile for any situation. Stufflebeam did not create the model with any specific program or solution in mind. Another great benefit is that it can be applied to all stages of an evaluation, from planning to implementation to analyzing outcomes. It provides a comprehensive approach. Although the CIPP has a long history, it is a lesser known model in the field of performance improvement. Aspects of this model are said to be too similar to the process of a needs assessment, which could attribute to why the CIPP model isn't more widely used.